We're doing it on Omega. Episode 425, part 1. I'm recording, right? Yeah, that red light's on. GOON versus FIEND deck. I'm not sure what it was, but he had a FIEND in there, so it's a FIEND deck. Instead of doing the red eyes fusion right away, I could have did an ash bait, but if I did that, if he ashed me now with a gamma, I would not be able to red eyes fusion. So maybe if I have red eyes fusion or in gamma, just activate red eyes fusion right away. Because if he does negate, I'll negate and I won't be able to. Red eyes fusion, fractal, kit, nerval, kit. I added kit so I could discard something with the Dragoon negate on his turn, and then I would be able to get the kit dump. Red eyes fusion, Dragoon. Set the called by and imperm. You just T-set. Drew the imperm. Dragoon, pop, and burn. That was Scarm. It's gonna get an end phase effect right here. Takes 800 because he has 800 attack. Kit. Banish 2 any type of beast. To special summon that link rating any type of beast. So link 2. Paddled. 1, 2, 3. Main phase 2. Rugal. Bearbrum. Kit. Kit's gonna dump Nerval. Bearbrum's gonna add the Revolt and put back to the bottom of the deck Cypherm Gear Gamma. Nerval's gonna add Fractal. Set. Wait, it was my turn, right? Yeah. Set imperm right here for this column. If you had a monster, negate it, and then this column would be negated. Alright. Scarm end phase effect. End phase, during the end phase, if this card is sent to the graveyard because it was sent there this turn, you can add one level 3 Dark Fiend monster from your deck to your hand, except for Scarm itself, called by the grave. Oh, what? Renewal of the world. The renewal of the world. Pretty cool card. This card is activated. You could banish one ritual monster from your deck. You can send this card to the graveyard. Activate one of its effects. Yugioh. What? Add one monster banished by this card. Oh, yeah, it's gonna activate renewal of the world and the Dragoon negate. Discard Fractal. I don't have a discard for Dragoon, but I have some negates here. 2 negates, 2 monster negates, and Revolt. So tour guide, imperm tour guide. He was gonna battle. He was probably gonna attack to kill himself, but I wanted to kill him myself. Revolt 4, Sure Egg, and the chain link. Dump, add, banish. Main phase 2, special from grave. End phase, I get it back to hand. And I just attacked here with Dragoon. Finish him. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 2. Yeah, I win both. I thought I was playing PK Fire. Same thing here. But he went first. He's gonna set a card and that's it. Wow. I did the same thing again. If I would have got Ash and I gammed. Fractal kit, kit Nerval, Fractal. Red Eyes Fusion, Dragoon. Direct attack, Pot of Prosperity. Well, I did not need Verte anymore. There's that dude and Lambda. Dark Ruler no more, just in case. And that's it. Set 2 and pass. Fractal. Kit. Nerval. Karis. Double Karis. Karis discard Karis. Gonna add Griefing. Target one monster in your opponent's graveyard. Shuffle it, then you can send one fiend type monster from your deck to the graveyard. Double. Ooh, what the heck? Karis got shuffled. Shuffle deck. What the heck? What else got shuffled? Dark Spirit of Banishment. It's gonna add itself, I guess. If a level 8 fiend monster is sent to the graveyard, will discard in the graveyard. Except during damage step, you could add this card from your hand. And he dumped Cursed Necrofear. Level 8 or higher. I did Karis 1, 2, 3, 4 Shureg. Shureg is going to banish a deal with Dark Ruler. And attack, and then Dark Spirit of Banishment. If your opponent's monster attacks at the start of the damage step, you can send this card to the graveyard. Wait, you can send this card from your hand or field to the graveyard. Then target one level 8 fiend monster from your graveyard, special summon it, but its effects are negated, and if you do, change its attack target to it and perform damage calculation. Well, he was going to revive Necrofear, special summon Necrofear, and I'll just negate Dragoon and then finish him. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. He didn't have his chat on, and he does not have a deck. So it's a fiend deck, I guess. We're at 1280, 1298, 263. Still at 263. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.